Can you add Thinset to a regular concrete or mortar mix? So the setup here is that we're making our own concrete or mortar, so Portland cement, sand, perhaps some gravel, but you want to augment the mix with some Thinset. That's actually something that I do all the time. Now, there's a ton of different admixtures in a product like Thinset, and when you add it to a regular concrete mix, the first and most noticeable thing that you're going to experience is the set time will decrease, meaning it'll actuate faster. You will have less time to place and finish the concrete before it starts to stiffen up. That's just one of the features slash benefits of adding Thinset to a regular concrete or mortar mix. The more you add, the more drastic that effect's going to be. So what's something else that's going to happen if you add some Thinset to your concrete or mortar mix? Well, you're going to enhance the bonding characteristics. So let's say you're taking a mix and you're parging it, or you're adding an overlay, basically new concrete over old concrete. By adding some Thinset to your parge mix or your repair mix, your overlay mix, it's going to increase the bonding characteristics significantly. So like, I don't have a number to it, but a lot. Big difference between the two, because this stuff, this polymer modified Thinset product has a ton of different admixtures added to it to help make it essentially the strongest bonding cementitious product that you can buy, bar none. It's the strongest bond that you can get, and it's made typically for using to attach like ceramic tile, granite, marble, things like that, an intermediary layer between a substrate and a tile. There are some disadvantages to the Thinset product, namely the SBR latex content in it, which is what gives it its enhanced bonding characteristics, is actually not great unless you provide it some sort of mechanical cover, because that SBR latex product degrades readily in the sun or in direct UV contact. So it's something to think about, but when used in smaller quantities, as in it's not the bulk of the mix design, 1 part Portland cement, 3 parts sand, 1 part Thinset. That would be the maximum I would use. So 1 part Portland cement, 3 parts sand. That's our normal mix. But then we add 1 part Thinset. Anything less than that, quarter part, half part, 1 part, we're augmenting the mix, but not changing it to the extent that I'm going to expect to experience damage from the UV or sun or anything like that. But I would expect it to kick faster, set up quicker, it'll be stronger, it'll bond better to existing surfaces. It will enhance it significantly. Adding some Thinset to your concrete mix is the same thing essentially as adding a bunch of SBR latex, some water reducer, some fine and coarse aggregate. All in all, this is something that benefits you. It's kind of like an easy hack to making more advanced concrete. Do your normal sand and Portland cement mix, add a small amount of the Thinset product, and you're going to find that you're making a higher quality product, you're bonding better, your concrete's a little bit easier to work with, and if you're doing any molding or casting, you're going to be able to get through your casts faster, get them out of the molds and replace them sooner, because there are accelerants in products like Thinset. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you're going to learn a ton about how to work with concrete.